Brakes work pretty good now. Okay, so foot to the floor until it runs through second gear, about 70 miles an hour.
How do I know it's second gear?
It'll shift to the third time. Or until that says 70. It'll go all the way in again, and then it'll go the third time you let off. Okay, ready? Go. Foot to the floor, baby.
I'm scared! What?
You got scared. It's okay. That is a cute little right-hand drive Mini Cooper. This is my favorite little part of the road. I'm not used to getting chaperoned around in a Porsche. Thank you.
Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your area. 컴백이 아니야 넌 적 없으니까 고개들이 돌아 진정해 못 걷길라 분홍빛의 얼음 drip 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 freeze on side shut it down what yeah 이미 안에 진 적이 없으니까 지저분이 목에 먹줄은 내 거니까 땅바닥에 단패로 we go 205 shut it down 초록빛을 내려 머리 위로 don't trip baby 겸손하게 그냥 앉아있어 just sit baby praying for my downfall many have tried baby catch me when you hit my Lamborghini go vroom 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 when we pull up you know it's a shutdown 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shut down
Brakes work pretty good now. The car drove so good. It was perfect. Fun to play at the North Shore. The drone survived hitting the tree. The car survived the speed runs. The tires survived the brake check. It was all good. Now, one of my neighbors is interested in buying the car. We'll see. She said she was interested in it for her husband, retired military. Sounds like the perfect person to buy the car, and if he's in the neighborhood. So I'm posting the car for sale now. If it doesn't sell, well then I will race it. But it is race ready. So I'm excited. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe.
지저분이 목에 먹줄은 내 거니까 땅바닥에 단패로 we go 205 shut it down